Are you ready to dive into the world of AI, but feeling overwhelmed by the hype and unsure where to start? Well, we're here to turn that uncertainty into excitement. Whether you're just beginning your journey or have a business need to explore AI, we've got the perfect guide to get you started in no time.
Small changes in our daily lives can create a ripple effect.
I can guarantee you the first prompt you enter and the output you receive will be an absolute rush. It still is for me. With over 2 decades of experience in AI, data and intelligence, I'm amazed at how accessible and straightforward AI has become. People are now genuinely eager to solve problems using AI. In this short video, I'll equip you with incredible low risk, easy to try and enjoyable tools to elevate your work and personal life. Get ready for an awesome transformation. Alright, one of the greatest tools to start trying low risk, low cost, and it's actually free, is to try out ChatGPT. Almost every single AI tool out there is largely based on the way ChatGPT works. It's a large language model, which basically means type in some text that's natural language for you and it's going to shoot out some answers. It's got a range of different use cases, designing, brainstorming, creating content, creating code, creating presentations, novels, anything you like. It's got that ability. It's almost like an intelligent assistant. It offers the world's experts at your fingertips. Don't believe me? Let's give it a go. Alright, so once you land on this page, links in the description, click on Try ChatGPT. Once you've logged in, you can sign up for the free version and it's okay. It's actually really powerful and will get you going in the quickest, fastest possible way. You'll have 2 versions or 2 options available. The GPT-4 or GPT 3.5. GPT-4 is great for the more advanced users, for people that are getting enough out of GPT 3.5 but just want that extra. They want to create plugins, they want to create connections and integrations to other systems. So if you're at that stage, go for it and give it a whirl. I'm going to give you a quick demo here of what ChatGPT is like to use, and actually hitting in a prompt and just getting that exhilarating sort of like, wow, cool, it just did that. We're going to prime it with a command saying, you're an expert in methodologies for brainstorming ideas, have experience in selecting concise and relevant topics, and provide 60-second descriptions expanding the idea. Do you understand? Alright, so you're basically telling your assistant what you want them to be an expert in. And this could be you want them to be a scientist, you want them to be a marketer, you want them to be a 5-year-old, you want them to be a teacher. You could ask it to be anything really, and it'll basically set the model to know what type of response you're looking for. You can even ask it to respond in a way that a 5-year-old would understand it. So again, the possibilities are almost endless here, but again, fantastic. So let's hit that enter button, and it says here, yes, I understand. So now it's engaged the chat, and we're going to ask it a question. Create 3 top ranked ideas for a new ad campaign for climate change. I want hooks and I want some slogans. And let's hit enter. So what we've done now is you can see it's starting to make very short work of this, and yeah, some ad campaigns for climate change with hooks. So idea number 1, climate heroes unite, join the League of Climate Heroes, small impacts, big impacts, description in 60 seconds, and it's got 3 ideas over here. So pretty fantastic. Now what you could do is you could start expanding on this, saying, all right, cool, I like idea number 1 or number 2 or idea number 3. Fantastic demonstration. You have low risk, low cost, and maximum and extremely powerful rewards you get out of this particular piece of software. The next tool up is Ideogram, a fantastic AI art generator. It uses natural languages to create images. You type in the command and it will create something. A capybara eating a pizza. Who would have thought? Alright, so this is free software for the moment. Give it a go. It's really simple to use, and I'm going to give you a short quick demo on this, and really fun to play with. Alright, so if you haven't already, click on the sign up and log in. Okay, so there's a huge range of AI art generators out there. There's some really popular ones, Ideogram. We've got Midjourney, which is extremely popular, which gives you more granularity and control of your AI images. You've got Leonardo, you've got Stable Diffusion, and again, all of these are different levels of mastery and levels that you are willing to tinker with and play with. I thought I'd give you the quickest, easiest, lowest risk starting point here with Ideogram, and I'll show you the power that's behind this particular piece of software. So again, a very simple interface. You type in what you want to see, how big you want to make it, and what type of image you would like to see. I've popped in a line emerging from a bucket of ice. It's a climate change thing, and I chose a photo, poster, typography, and I've made the width 16 and height 10 inches. So let's click on generate. Right, so as you can see here, it's created a really compelling image that would have taken some time for a graphic designer or anybody else out there to create this image and make it look as realistic as possible. So you've got 4 images created for you over here, and fitting with the climate change scene. Yeah, you can basically take any one of these over here. I quite like this one over here. It's a lion in a bucket, there's ice around it, and it's obviously a reminder of climate change. So if you want to download it, all you do is you click on download and it will save to your environment. Alright, there's a couple of other things you can do in this particular tool set, like creating logos, creating t-shirts, creating ideas for different slogans. So anything that you would like, and you can have a look over here, you can get some inspiration and see what other people have created. So again, really, really simple. If you feel if there's ever an overwhelming sense of I can't use technology, I can't use this because it's too difficult, think again. This is as easy as falling out of a tree. And if you felt like creating that as a slogan and you felt compelled to say that, easy as falling out of a tree, type it in and it'll create it for you. How fantastic. Right, so if I still haven't convinced you, how about this one? This is going to almost do everything for you. It's going to create images, it's going to create narrative, it's going to do the research for you, and it's going to be your expert. So this is called InVideo AI, another fantastic piece of software. It's free at the moment, and it is low risk, low code, low maintenance, and it has got massive rewards, and it's just phenomenal. I'm so impressed with this that I'm jumping out of my seat right now. Alright, so if you haven't already, log into the InVideo. All the links will be in the description. This is a one-click to video tutorial. There are a number out there. This is one of the better ones. Check out my other videos for any other options that you would like to try. Again, all offering different points and different solutions that they solve. So this is pretty cool. Let's give you let me get you started with this one and demonstrate just how cool and easy this. The interface is probably as simple as you can get. You're going to basically select a workflow. What would you like to do? Create a YouTube short, an explainer video, a recent events video. So let's do a YouTube short. And let's create a video on climate change and the effect on animals. Alright, so this is going to do the narration for you as well. So let's do a female voice, and it's going to be a middle-aged woman. We can show the subtitles, and you can use iStock, or we can use whichever pictures we want. So we can click on continue. Alright, and hit generate. Alright, so once it's created, it's going to ask you, okay, who do you think the audience is going to be? The look and feel, is it inspiring, clean, or professional? Let's just do inspiring because we want people to take action. What platform we're going to use, Instagram or Shorts or Facebook? We can do it for, let's do it for Facebook. So once it's created the output, it's going to basically pop it into this frame over here. You can preview it by clicking the play button, and if you wanted to edit it, you click on the edit button, and you can now change any image that you would like with whatever you see over here. You can upload your own media, you can search for media, and what it's going to do is ultimately attach an image to a piece of text. Alright, so as you can see over here, it's highlighting the text for the particular image. You'll notice that these images are premium stock, so you may have to pay for some of these, or you can upload your own images and that's for free. So go to Ideogram, go to Midjourney, go any to those other applications and upload your own images. Click on the export. Right, so if you wanted to export it, all you would do is select your resolution, change your type of watermark and your branding, and hit the continue button, and it will ultimately download. All right, hopefully you found this video entertaining, low risk, easy to use, low cost, and hopefully I delivered on what I said I was going to deliver on and given you the confidence to get going with AI.